Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Fold, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app, and here you've got the timer icon. So if you would like to activate it, just click here once and now select the time. It can be, for example, 10 seconds. Now just grab a photo, and as you can see, it will be done after 10 seconds. You will see the countdown in the right upper corner, and afterwards the picture will be grabbed. That's it. Then if you would like to switch it off, just click on the timer icon again, change it or switch it off, and now as you can see, it's no longer active. So this is it. This is how you can activate and use camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy Fold. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.